Here is one that you maybe have seen on your travels recently. This is TSA PreCheck Touchless ID. And now this is available for TSA PreCheck members with a valid passport. And it's available at select airports with participating airlines including Alaska, American, Delta, Southwest, and United. Now, to use this new service, you need to opt in with the airline. And the touchless ID allows travelers to move through a separate security line that uses facial recognition instead of a traditional boarding pass or ID.
Yeah, and so this does vary a little bit from your regular TSA PreCheck line. To use touchless ID, the first thing you have to do is to update your airline profile. So in those 5 airlines that Chris mentioned, you go into the app, you update your profile. You have to include your known traveler number or I forget the other one because the known traveler number is what you have with global entry, and there's a different number.
The redress?
Yes, I think that's it. And so that number that you get when you apply for TSA or global entry, you put that number in, you put your passport number in, fill out, where your country of origin, all that good stuff. Then you have to opt in. And I did this before we recorded because I wanted to see how it worked for each of these airlines. And I was able to find it very easily in my United app and my Southwest app. And we'll put up some screenshots so you can see where to find it. I could not find any mention of touchless ID in Delta, American, or Alaska. I did fill out my information, and so maybe it's something that'll pop up later. Maybe I was looking in the wrong spot, but for those 3 airlines, I could not find it. So if you found it, let us know because that would be really helpful.
Yeah.
But United and Southwest, it was right there. And it's something that I think so many of us would just gloss right over, not even think about it. But it was right there. It was like, oh, here, click opt in, an easy little button, opt in, made tons of sense. So make sure you do that first. Then you will see the TSA PreCheck TSA PreCheck Touchless ID lines. You'll see that logo on your boarding pass. And then you will see those lines in the airport, and they are different from the regular TSA PreCheck lines. They are not in every airport. They're in select airports, generally a lot of those hubs, the bigger airports for those 5 airlines. When you go into that line, you will get a face scan, and that is how they determine your ID. You don't have to show ID, although you always still have to travel with an ID because they can ask you for your ID at any point. So don't travel without an ID. But you should just be able to walk up, scan your face, and then move on with your life. And so the beauty of those lines, again, right now, is that most people don't know this exists. So those lines tend to be a lot quicker than the regular TSA PreCheck line. So do it now at the beginning of the year. Enjoy that. And then maybe other people will catch on. And those lines won't be as quick later in the year. But do it now, and you're going to be way ahead of most of the game.